Chapter 12, Section 12.1, page 361. First heading is gravity. Why do leaves fall to the ground? The answer is gravity. Gravity is a force that acts between any two masses. Gravity is an attractive force, that is, it pulls objects together. Earth's gravitational force exerts a force of attraction on every other object that is near Earth. That includes you. The force of Earth's gravity holds you on the ground. Note that the force of gravity does not require objects to be in contact for it to act on them. Unlike friction, gravity can act over large distances. And this is a key concept. Earth's gravity acts downward toward the center of the Earth. And it's a key concept. I'll read it one more time. Earth's gravity acts downward toward the center of the Earth. Fortunately, an upward force usually balances the downward force of gravity. What forces act on the boulder in picture 7? And it's just a big, huge rock sitting on the ground. So gravity pulls down on the boulder. An upward force supplied by the supporting rock acts upward and balances the downward gravitational force. Because the forces on the boulder are balanced, it remains at rest as it has for thousands of years. Next heading, falling objects. What forces affect the motion of a dollar bill dropped from the top of a tall building? Both gravity and air resistance affect the motion of a falling object. Gravity causes objects to accelerate downward, whereas air resistance acts in the direction opposite to the motion and reduces acceleration. I'll say that one more time. It's a key concept. Gravity causes objects to accelerate downward, whereas air resistance acts in the direction opposite to the motion and reduces acceleration. As objects fall to the ground, they accelerate and gain speed. With increasing speed comes an increasing air resistance. If an object falls for a long time, the upward force of air resistance becomes equal to the downward force of gravity. At this point, the forces acting on the object are balanced. Acceleration is 0, and the object continues falling at a constant velocity. Terminal velocity is the constant velocity of a falling object when the force of air resistance equals the force of gravity.